Hello, it's Fast Charlie, and I've got a lock here that's an American lock, Series 5200. And it's an oldie but a goodie. It's got US stamped on the back and TGL as the date code, which should mean that it was made July 1983, so about a little over 25 years old. It is key retaining. And this is a lock that I love to pick when I'm testing out new picks. And let's go ahead and show you. I'm going to go ahead and test out this pick. I'm just finishing it up. It's a 20 thousandths feeler gauge that's been turned into kind of like a medium hook. It does need a little bit of polishing, a little finishing. Could use a little bit more wax on the handle. It's an oak handle, and then it has copper pins. I actually was really pleased with the pick itself, and then the handle. I thought it was done, and I tested it out a couple times and decided that I just didn't like how it felt. So I went back and sanded it quite a bit more. Changed the shape just a little bit. Okay, we got a little click on. I think that was 4. There's 1. I'm going to go to the back again. So yeah, I reshaped it, and it's a little thinner now. And I like how it feels. Hey, all right. That is a nice false set. That's pretty deep. 1 kind of feels like it's binding. I'm going to go check. I'm going to check 4. Oops. Wow, that is pretty deep. Got some counter rotation here. All right. I do not want to lose the tensioner. There we go. All right. Yeah, this little guy is working well. Let's see what it takes to get this apart. I have not gutted this particular 5200, so I'm not completely sure what's in here. At least I'm 99% sure that I have not yet gutted it. I have several 5200s. Okay. All right, I can take this clip off. That is greasy in there. Very dirty. That's interesting how you can see where this plate usually lives. It's like it's usually right there, unless I have it upside down. Yeah, that's been very exposed to the elements, it appears. I'm going to use this plug follower that Bobby Keys made and sent to me. And surprisingly, it is a 6-pin plug. Cylinder. I know sometimes these are 5-pin, but I don't know when that became a thing. Maybe it depends on age, maybe it doesn't. Maybe it just depends on if it's ever been serviced. I do not know. But I know I have opened other 5200s that are the 5-pin cylinders. And none of these are serrated at all. Yeah, it does look like it's an American. I was just making sure that I didn't miss something, and maybe it was a master. Alright, so, okay, we've got a well, I don't know if that's really serrated. It's a spool. A really weak spring. We'll get that spring later. Here's a standard. Interesting. I would expect these to be serrated. That might explain why I was able to get it fairly easily. And only one spool in the bunch. Uh-oh, losing springs here. There we go. Well, that's interesting. If anyone knows if, according to the age, if this is what I should be seeing in here, let me know. I would be really interested. I definitely have some pins that I can put in here that are serrated. But it might be fun to leave it just like this. All right. Well, that is that. A little surprising to not see any serrated pins, but still fun nonetheless. And it's always fun to try out a new pick. All right. Everybody, thanks for watching. Be good and be well.